Good morning, good morning. How are we all doing today? Today is November 13th, 2024. Market opens in exactly 20 seconds. So we are going to pay attention to exactly what it does and how it is affected by the CPI data report. Now, the CPI data report did come in as expected. We did already put this out in our Discord. So for all of you who want to know, you can definitely check it out. Okay, so give me just a second to spread my links around and we shall begin. Right, volume's a bit loud. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. How are we all doing today? Good, I hope. Good, 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 I hope. All right, market is officially open. Looks like it is somewhat bullish. That's good to see. Turn on my audio a little bit, maybe to 2. I think a 2 would be good. There we go. Hope that helps. Okay, sharing my link and then we'll get started, guys. I do apologize. I'm gonna figure out a way to do this better for everyone. TQQQ, JNUG pushing up. So JNUG is finally pushing up from those lows. Looks like gold may be having a comeback. This was suspended, of course. Now I was watching this at $18 and $19. It went up to $24. BTCT. Now this did go up yesterday very nicely from $4 to $17, came all the way back down to $8, and then shot up to $24. So this would have been the play today. Unfortunately, we just missed this play, and we'll see what other plays play out. Okay, there we go. Links are spread. HUT pushing up. Pretty much everything's going to be pushing up. Mara looks like it might be pulling back just a little bit. There you go. Bitcoin just pushed up to 90,607, creating another new high on the day. This thing could probably get to 100,000 very easily, is what it seems like. Riot's at 14. I mean, everything is going up. Riot was at $8 the other day. Jeez Louise. Riot from 14 to 15. Could be a nice little $20 bill right there. Everything's so overpriced up now. I mean, you could have bought these for 10 bucks, 8 bucks, and now it's ridiculously priced. I want to say we're going to see Bitcoin pull back. Bitcoin is definitely skyrocketing due to that CPI report, which is great. 90,800. I do not want to get left behind on this trade. $35. How are you guys doing today? Good, I hope. Good morning. Now it says it's suspended. Guys, you can also check out our free Discord, 100% free. I could keep it 100% free by you simply smashing the like button. There we go, a little pullback. It got halted and then suspended again. Pulling back. Get a pretty significant pullback today. Or are we just getting a retest at 25.50? I think we're just getting a small retest here. Yeah, Bitcoin's coming down. Tesla's pushing up very nicely. BRAC's already made the push. MU not finding that support we wanted. Intel finding support here. 23 to 24, potentially to 26. JNUG, slight push up, nothing crazy. Overbought. TQQQ maintaining that 200 MA support level. I'm not even sure what I want to trade anymore. Just thinking Riot. Riot would have been nice. It's less than $1. Whoop. Sorry. Bitcoin is coming down. Can't believe this moved from 8 to 25. It's like I should have got up earlier, you know what I mean? Buying in at 10. Could have got quite a few shares. You know, even 100 shares at $10 is $1,000. Even 800 if I would have caught it at 8, or 900 if I would have caught it at 9. 2,500 bucks, man. It's insane. It's insane how much money you could potentially make. It's just trying to show up early enough to make them. This can go from 5 to 6. That's $1 move. Spirit Airline. Wow, this pushed up from 18 to 20. Rocket Labs. This is sorry. Advanced battery. Wow. From 2 to 6. Again, could have doubled our money very nicely. Then go from 5 to 6. That's another double. How are you guys doing today? Good, I hope. Good, good, good. Yeah, it's suspended. We're waiting to see what happens here. That just hit 91,000. Are you kidding me? Bitcoin just hit 91,000. Excuse me. Dang, I am sore. I don't think I ate enough. I didn't sleep enough, and I did not eat enough yesterday. Mm. Trying to figure out when this halt's gonna be over. Should almost be over now. Another minute or so, maybe. Let's see. It keeps getting halted and then suspended and then halted, so. Hood from 33 to 34. Right? Mara did report their earnings today. Price target $28 a share. So that's $3 a share. Even this significant move already, right? From 23 to 26. That's 13%. Just keeps going from halt to suspended. KXIN. NXTT. Wow, from $1.70 to $3. It doubled my money. LXEO. $7 to $11. Dang. Ha! Got halted again. Look how much it pushed down though, from 25 to 19. For 481 to 6. $25 to $147. Wow. It's pushed up nicely. From 2.6 to 3.14. All right, all right. How are we all doing today? Good morning, good morning. Ooh, that one's selling off. JDST pushing up. Oh. Shop. Oh my god. Shop's insane. Bitcoin to 91. $255 to $314. I mean, this would be pretty solid. We can get a bounce, 25%, 64 cents per share. BTCS is pushing now again. Oh, got halted. 19 to 25 would be $6 per share. I really wanted to trade this today. BTCT. I would just hate to buy it at such a high price. Okay, it should be unhalting in just a second. Come on. Unhalt. '24, 2023, 15. Come on, unhalt. Let's go. Bitcoin is pushing up. Come on. Buy 10 shares. Buy another 10. No. And buy 5. There we go. All right, we're in. We're in. We're in. We're in. Good morning. Good morning. Here we go. Up 12, up 13, up 15. Let's get this to push. Bitcoin's at 91, 92,000, so we should see this push up even more. We really should. $19, buying more, 1930s. Here we go. Only got 15 shares, guys, about $300. I didn't want to put too much in there. Didn't want to risk a heck of a lot. We're going to have a limit to sell 5 at 25. 5 at 25, guys. Gonna be patient here. Doing good. Let's try to get that $100 bag today with 300 bucks. $100 at 300 bucks, guys. I know we can do it. $25. We're gonna sell 10 at $25. Got halted, but we should see it pump up even more. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a limit order to sell 10 at 25. 10 at 25, right below that 25.40 area. We're already up $36 or 13% on 300 bucks. Now, why didn't I do more? Because it's extremely overbought, guys. This company is extremely overbought. Now, I should have bought in at 8, right? Even 300 shares at 8, I could have got a heck of a lot more than at 19. I could have got 30 shares. Would have been 30 shares. It still would have been $300, but it would have been 30 shares. Down at 8. I'd be selling up here at the 19s and 20s. Almost doubling, if not almost tripling my initial $300. We'd be up like what, 900, $300 to $600 we'd be up right now if we caught this move a little bit earlier. Now we are going to wait for this to get unhalted. We do have our sell limit. Good morning, causing a ruckus. Levon, Mr. Toad's Epic Indoor Adventures. Okay, that's a cool name. Very cool. I like it. Come on, baby. As long as see, look at this. This is up to 92,000. So you already know that company is going to go up even more. Someone was saying it can go up to 35 today. That's insane. Some comments here. Yep, I also bought the dip. Bought the dip at 19. Writing. Writing up to 25, 30. There we go. Very bullish. Now, if Bitcoin can stay bullish, right, until this next unhalted, or until it gets unhalted again, it's at 92,000, guys. 92,000. Mara's not doing much. I mean, it did. It went from 23 to 26, came back down to 25. BTCT. This thing should skyrocket. It really should. It's at 92,000. Even if it goes back up to 25, we lock in a little bit more money. Again, we still have, let's see, where's our open order, cost basis. There we go. Open order and cost basis. So we're at 1891, and we're going to sell at 25, risking about 20 bucks, you know, ish, 10 to 20 bucks in risk to make pretty much right there to $100 at 25 would be $91 or 32% profit. So we're very close. It is possible, especially since Bitcoin is going up still. We could lock in a nice almost $100 bag. Ooh, that'd be really nice. It's BTCT, Tina. BTCT. You put BCTC. Almost. You almost got it. I was doing that yesterday and I was like, why can't I find it? It's because I didn't have the acronym correctly. I hope that helps. BTCT. And I wish the charts weren't so dang small. To where you could see like all this just a little bit better, right? Okay, guys, now why are we in this? Well, there's a lot of volume. It's on the back of the MACD, starting to curl over. It did find some support at 1785. Now, this isn't something I typically trade, but because we are so influenced by Bitcoin lately, and I've been trading Mara for quite some time, BTCT is bouncing right off of those EMA levels. And I bought in at 1891 on this last halt that was unhalted and suspended. Already up 30 bucks or 13% on a $300 position. Very light. I was going to actually add more to it. Here we go. Here we go. All right, pushing up. Let's see how high up this can go. Looks like we're getting some selling pressure at $22. We're up 40. Man, I really want to just sell. I should have sold, locked in those $40 in profits. That would have been nice. There we go, starting to sell off. Now, people are probably going to take their profits, but this is actually very strong still. It's at 92,000. When it was halted, it was in the 90s, maybe 91. So this would be a good spot to buy a little bit more at 19. Maybe even 17 or 18. Got it? Okay, cool. Tina got it. Good job. All right. Come on. We just gave back $20. Good morning, Daryl. Good morning, Tina. Good morning, Better View Window Cleaning. I gotta get my charge. It's 8 o'clock now. It's been 30 minutes since the market. It's 8 o'clock now. It's been 30 minutes since the market opened. Okay, here we go. Pushing up again. It's going to have to get above these moving averages and the VWAP, but I think it can. Definitely showing that it's oversold on the RSI. Trying to pull over on the MACD, but still a descending on the MACD here. We're going to want another crossover between the MACD and it wants to cross over the signal. The orange needs to cross over the blue line. Now we might even get up a halt, another halt if it gets up to 22 again. Oh, Bitcoin is coming down. That's why. Let's see if this gets a bit of a correction, push back up to 92, or if this is that run. Does it exhaust the run today at 92? I don't want to believe the move's exhausted. Could be though. I mean, this could technically just sell off the way it did yesterday from 17 down to 8, back up to 14, and then just kind of trail all the way back down to 8. I hope not. We want to catch one more big move before I get off of this live stream here. Trying to make that $100 today, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on. We can see this thing push up more. Better view. How do I do this too? Just show up every morning and you could paper trade if you want to get started without no monetary risk. You could also add, you know, say $5, $10, $100. Right now this is only $20 company, so you could buy one share for 20 if you wanted to, right? Just to practice. Daryl, what are we trading today? Did Johnny take a position? Yeah, I did take a position already. I bought 15 shares around 9:50 Eastern time, about 7:50 my time. Took a minute. It was like 20 minutes after our live when I finally took a trade. Was it 20 minutes? Yeah, about. Okay, it looks like it's showing signs of it starting to sell off, so may have missed that window up to that initial 25. Bitcoin coming down to that $90 mark. Let's see if it tests this moving average here. Or is it going to shoot right past it? Getting some buyers at 18. Wow. Went from up 40 to down 20. Try to get one more little bounce. There we go, bouncing off of EMA. Whoops. Whoa, did I really have it there? At 90? Yeah, I think it did. Okay, bouncing off at 91. And this got halted again and suspended. It's gonna get halted and suspended all the way for this to get all the way back up to 92, and then it'll be unhalted as it's coming down again. Yep, that's how they're gonna make their money, boys. Mara coming back down to test $24. Tested $23.93. Go ahead and take a look at the overall market since this is at a halt. SQQQ pushing up from 31 to 32. Jaina going from 40 to 42 and then selling off. Which means JDST went all the way down to 28 and now it's back up to 29. Oversold. Yeah, the market's definitely oversold or overbought, right? So it's pulling back a little bit. It's like most everything is pulling back. DJT finding some support at 28. Possible push up to 31 again. Mara and TQQQ selling off. So the overall NASDAQ market selling off. Starting its downward descent. Do you see that? Breaking that support now. This is now resistance. Maybe come down to that 500. This is exactly what we wanted to see, guys. We wanted to see either a break above or a break below, and it looks like it is now breaking below. The markets are bearish. Gold is bearish. The markets are bearish. This is exactly what we thought was going to happen, right? At all-time highs. So now SQQ could potentially go up to 34, making $2 per share very easily. Crypto is pulling back. So yeah, this is not going to be good, guys. That $40 or something that I had earlier, should have locked it in. When I bought and it went up to 22, I should have set my limit at 22 and got out. I'd have been up $30, $40, even up $20 is better than being down. I was up 13% at one point. It was like $36, $34. Not saying Bitcoin's going to sell off, all the way back to 90. That'd be great if it does, because then I just buy more. All right, looks like it's popping up now. Here we go. Bitcoin is pushing back up from those lows of 90. Looks like it found some type of support there at that 90 range. So here we go. Looks like it's going to pop back up. And we just need to get this unhalted, push up one more time, get out. Now it's suspended. We're going to get this, boys and girls. We're going to get it. Here we go. This is going to be a nice push. If this can hold and continue to push up, then BTCT will rise back to where we want it to go. Wish it said how long stuff was halted for. It keeps going from halted to suspended. $15 shares, nothing too crazy. Just enough to get excited, not enough to really lose a ton of money. Here we go, it's unhalted. There we go, nice push. Bitcoin pushing up to 91. It's kind of basically where it was earlier, that 91,200. Let's go, let's go. Get this bag, Johnny. Thanks, causing a ruckus. What are you trading today, sir? BTC, it's pushing up. I think it's just a waiting game at this point. I mean, I could probably walk away and it eventually goes up to 25, right? I mean, Don't want to walk away, but here we go. Oh yeah, nice push up from Bitcoin. So we just need BTCT to get a little bit more volume in here. BTCT. Why was I saying BTCS earlier? BTCS. What is that? That's another little company, another Bitcoin company. From 3 to 5, that's $2 in profit. 300 to 500, so it's only a $300 investment compared to BTCT, which is, you know, substantially more. It's an $18 to $20 share compared to a $3 to $5 share. So we could have bought way more shares, say 100 shares at $3 for 300 bucks. Selling at 500, making $200 on 300 bucks. I mean, technically, right, with this move. I just don't understand. Bitcoin is pushing up. Bitcoin's pushing up to 91, 92. BTCT is not, has quite a bit of a drag or a delay here. BTC Digital also signs agreement with Rect Technologies. They're going to be a Bitcoin miner equipment hosting 1,100 Bitcoin mining machines. So also based off of news. Yeah, I even should have got it 17. $17 to even 18, that's 15. Yeah. Could buy more. I just don't want to put too much into it. It's super risky anyways, right? I'm just here we go. Bitcoin's up 5%, just hit 91,500 again. BTCT is not reflecting. It's kind of doing its own thing right now, away from Bitcoin. Bitcoin pushing up, 91,600. About to hit that 92,000 mark again. I mean, we should really start seeing another pop here. Very slow going. Should have got in and out when I had the chance. Cost at $18.91. Well, let's see. Trading BB today. BB, Blackberry. Okay. Oh wow, nice. 214 to 254. 5% profit. 5% profit. Don't really see a lot of news. What made you choose BB? Here we go. Looks like it's going to push up. MACD, RSI beginning to curl over. MACD wanting to curl over on that signal here. As soon as we get confirmation of that curl over, we should see a nice push up. Welcome everybody, welcome. Don't forget to smash that like button for me. It does us solid. Make sure other people, like-minded individuals such as yourself, find us. That really help a lot, guys. Thank you. Causing a ruckus. MooMoo gave me some stocks last night, sold half this morning, and hoping for that second bounce. Cool. That is really cool. Yeah, it's nice to get free shares and then make money from the free money that you had. So it's like your free money that you earned, that you got for free, is also making you free money. So it's like more than 100% profit. It's like 1,000%. I mean, I don't even know. It's exponential, right? Because it was free. That's awesome. Oh, yeah. Okay, so it looks like it's going to trade within this channel. Like, unless we get another breakout with Bitcoin, I'm not seeing this actually moving anywhere. It's holding that support, though. I don't know why I have this as a red line, but it's holding the support. It's $17. Okay, it just broke support. Of course. Of course. Why did I say it? Why did I have to mention? Oh, Johnny says that it's holding support. Cool. Let's sell off. It's trying. It's trying to maintain that support though. Oh my goodness. Maintaining support. It really is. It's maintaining it. All right, let's get this chat to 20 likes. Let's get it to 20 likes, guys. At least double digits. Let's get it to 10 likes. What do we got? Like 8 now? Got 8 likes. Come on, guys. Let's go. Cousin Ruckus says, I'll probably never look at BB again after this. Yes, it's like a crap company, and that's probably why they're giving away so many free shares of it. What was another one? Do you remember Zynga? Zynga was like that too. ZNGA was like a online computer company or something, and they were giving out shares left and right. Chesapeake Energy, I think it was CHY or something. Could be wrong. That could be Calamus ETF fund, but um, Chesapeake Energy was a cheap one that they were giving out a lot. Wow. It doesn't look like we're going to get that pop that we want, guys. I mean, the MACD is just continuing to sell up. It got really small here. Do you see how it started to curl over a bit? And it said, nah, no thanks. They're just faking everyone out. That's all it's doing. It's going to get all the people that want to sell, get out, get scared. Shorts will start covering profits. If you can you short this actually? I'm kind of curious to see. Wow, I guess you can't short this. You cannot short this. Can you short Mara? You could short Mara. 60% maintenance fee, 10% approximate analyzed margin rate. Interesting. Bitcoin still trailing up. You would think with this being at a higher level than when BTCT got halted, that BTCT would have been up more. But as you can see, any reaction is usually an overreaction. So when this actually begins to pump again, we'll get a huge overreaction. It'll probably get halted or suspended again. And then we'll be in that same boat as earlier, trying to figure out if it's going to be unhalted by the time this is up or down. Wants to make that move. MACD is about to cross over the signal. Do you guys see that here? MACD is about to cross over the signal. This is when a lot of people would actually enter the trade. See, I entered at this backside. I thought maybe we can get a little bit more of a second push up, maybe to 27, 28, 30. It didn't happen. but we are catching some support at 17. Could we get a nice push back up above those EMA levels? Possibly. Does it continue to trade sideways? Yes. And it's like I didn't lock in profits earlier, the 40 something dollars, when I should have, right? It could have already been done. Could have been talking about the trade. Very quick, easy, simple trade here. Buying at 1876 and then 1922. I should have bought all 15 shares at 1876. Right now I have a share price of 1891, which isn't bad. 1876 would have been better. I was averaging up, so I was going to start adding more and more to it as it went up. And then it just continued. Just as soon as I bought those last 5 shares at, what was it, 1922, it just started going down from there. And I was like, oh, okay. All right, here we go. MACD is beginning to cross over. Causing a ruckus. It would be hard to have a computer company right now. So much competition. Yeah, I mean, BlackBerry's so old too. BlackBerry's been around since like since the 2000s. I would say the 80s. Since like the 2000s, I think. If not the 90s. And they were like a computer phone company. BlackBerry was like its own thing, man. They really were. If you had a BlackBerry back in the day, you were doing good. That was even before I think the Razor came out and like the flip Motorola's and then Nokia, or maybe it came out right around that time period. Come on, do something. It's already almost up to 92,000 again and doesn't want to move. BITO back up to 24. Well, this just might be where we have to end the live stream today, guys. We've been going live for almost an hour, so if you guys have any questions or any stocks, ETFs that you want me to take a look at, I can. Unless we start seeing some movement in the next couple of minutes, I'll probably just end the live stream and then give you guys an update later. I don't know. I can't watch the screen all day long. This is just crazy how it's just taking this long to actually do something. Even though Bitcoin is pushing up. So, sometimes there's just companies that just aren't correlated like that. And that's going to happen. It doesn't mean it has to do exactly what we plan it to do. All we're doing, we're not trying to, make the market do what we want. We're just trying to go with the trend line, go with the direction that the market wants to take us. And unfortunately, it doesn't seem like the market wants to take us in the direction that we want to go. And that happens sometimes too. Still holding that support. That's why I'm still very, I'm trying to stay confident. And I'm trying to be patient with this trade. Not just sell myself short, take a loss, and then it skyrockets as soon as I sell it, because it's done that before too. Plenty of times it's done that before. Plenty of times. It is maintaining that support, right? It's not making any lower lows. Just doesn't want to get any higher. Ooh, we just got 10 likes, guys. We just got to 10 likes. Double-digit likes. Let's go. Let's go. Might have to buy BTCT at that support line. For real, I mean, it just doesn't want to budge from 17. And now it's like actually on top of the MACD and the signal. They're on top of each other. Look at that line. There's almost no line. showing signs of a potential reversal. We just need one green little MACD indicator for it to curl over. RSI is oversold. Everything here has a really nice setup to make some money. Here we go. It's already up 15 cents, 20 cents. Whoever's trading this is trading in big chunks. I mean, we're talking like probably $1,000. We could even see here 3,000 shares. Like, come on. And what's crazy is I'm pretty sure we missed the move. It's already in the works. It's already. What the heck? In the works. Here we go, pushing up, $19. Okay, there's a push. That's exactly what we wanted to see. Come on, come on. Push up a little bit more. Give us some. Give us some more, man. Push right up to the VWAP, 1950. Bitcoin just hit 92,000, pushing back slightly. This went up for just a brief second to 1930. Let's go, curling over on the MACD. First sign of a green candle, green MACD, and it's signaling that it's crossing. Oh my gosh, no, it's not. It's making lower lows now. Lower lows and lower highs. I'm just gonna have to get out of this, guys, honestly. Wow. I kind of figured it might do that at the VWAP. Dang, man. We're not getting anything on this. It's just gonna sell off. It's literally gonna do what it did yesterday. Huge pop up, sell off, one little bit more pop, and then just sell off, right? And then flatline. So this thing could technically flatline like right now at 17. And this could be the area where it just trades today like it did yesterday, right? From 250, it popped all the way up, came all the way back down. It was like almost a 50% retracement, wasn't it? Went up 263%, came down 43%. So went up 250, came down 50. Went up 170, came down 30. Came down almost 40. Wow. Brutal. Yeah, pretty brutal, man. Pretty brutal indeed. Like I would have already been stopped out. That was my stop. 10%, $28. 5%, $15. Well, guess we're gonna hold on to this one, guys. We're gonna wait and see what happens. Bitcoin is at all-time highs, 92,000. It's still continuing to go up, so we may end up seeing a little bit more push up. If we do, then hey, I got my limit order set for 25. I don't know if it'll get to 25. I may just have to get out, guys, honestly. This is going up still. BTCT is going down. So, but not a strong correlation. There is, but it doesn't seem like it's strong enough to do anything. There we go. Looks like it's going to break a new high now, even. I guess if it breaks a new high, maybe we could see a pop. If this breaks above 92,027, see, like now it's going to start coming down. 91, 92. There we go, 92,000 again. There we go. Just broke. Just broke 92,500. All these companies should be going up. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do, guys. It's already been an hour. We're going to hold, and we will give you guys an update as to when I sell this. What a great day, though. What a great day to be in the markets. Bitcoin is up 92,000. This is the first time it's ever been up this high, ever in history. So very cool to see. Making new highs every single week. I love to see it. Love to see it. If this goes all the way down to 9, I'm cooked. From 18 to 9. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate your time. Like always, remember to smash the like button. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Tomorrow we will be live stream again. Same time, same place. So whatever time the market opens in your area, you can guarantee we will be going live. Looks like we may get a nice push up from BTCT now that we're about to end the live stream. But no promises, as it doesn't look like it has that volume that we want to see. So appreciate you guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. Good luck with your trading session. And remember, let's end the year on a green note. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.